This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Lotus biscuits at home. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 115 grams of softened unsalted butter and a total of 150 grams of both brown and castor sugars. Don't forget 1 large egg, 180 grams of plain flour, and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. For that authentic flavor, prepare a blend of warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Have your mixing bowl, rolling pin, and baking sheets ready. Now let's get mixing. First, cream your softened butter with both the brown and castor sugars until the mixture becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in your large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is smoothly combined. In a separate bowl, sift together your plain flour, corn flour, and all those aromatic spices. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until a soft dough forms. Once combined, wrap the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This is crucial for easy rolling. With your dough nicely chilled, it's time to roll and cut. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to ensure the dough doesn't stick. Roll out the dough evenly to a thickness of approximately 1/4 inch. This gives your biscuits a good bite. Now, use your favorite cookie cutters to create those classic biscuit shapes. A rectangular cutter works well for the traditional look. Carefully transfer your cut biscuits to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your biscuits for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until their edges turn a lovely golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the baking tray for 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. These delicious homemade Lotus biscuits can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 10 days. Perfect for enjoying with your favorite hot drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.